Hello guys, it's another moment and me time. We're going for cherry picking at, they said, Elderkins. I don't know how to spell that out or pronounce that out, but it sounds kind of like that. Okay, so come with me as we go for our family cherry picking time. This, what day it is? July 10th. Alright, come with us. Where are we going, guys? Cherry picking. All set. Alright. Ayan mga ka-moment, 4 minutes na lang. We'll be arriving in our destination. So dito sa kalsada, from here, nakikita na natin from the sides, there are already cherry plantation. Saan ba yan kanina? Wala pala, hindi pala yan. So mga sides both ano na, both farm na. Joke lang yun, joke lang. Dito pala tayo dadaan sa Greenwich, Fort William Scanning. Pinaanan yan. We'll see. Puro mga ano pa na to, valley and plantation. Maraming mga apple picking, iba-ibang mga fruit picking. Ayun. So we will turn right side and then we reach that end. Malapit na tayo. 3 minutes. Oh, ayun na pala. Oh, ayun o yan. Yan yung mga plantation ng cherry. Ayan. Diba? Wow, ayan na yung farm market. Nakikita mo na siya on the side. Meron din pala dito sa kabilang side ko. Hindi ko alam kung ano meron sa kabilang farm. May greenhouse na. Okay. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Today is such a perfect weather, I guess, even if it's a little bit gloomy, cloudy day. Pero at least there's not so much of a sunshine, so hindi tayo masa-sunburn. Just a good time, good weather. Right? Cloudy day, iwas tayo sa sunburn today. Ayan. So, ayan na yung mga farm on the sides. Ayan, makikita natin farm market. Henning. Doon tayo sa susunod na farm. We're looking to Elderkin Farm Market and Bakery. 1 minute. We're picking strawberries na rin. It's this time. And raspberries and sweet cherries. So lots of fruit picking. In this area, yung mga cherries. And we're here. We arrived at Elderkins. Ayan. So dito na tayo. Yay! We made it. Hanap na tayo ng parking. Medyo konti yung parking sa area na to. Pero bearable naman. Ayan. So, bababa na tayo at mag-register. Pasok tayo. May pa-bakery sila. Kaya nga, ang dami niyang mga pa-fruits. Oh, may pa-drinks at saka may pa, ano. Ang dami na, oh. Ayan na, ito na ang mga kukuha ng cherries. Let's go na. Let's go, guys. James, Lance. Come on. Come on. Our goal is to pick lots of cherries. Ayan. Empty pa tong basket. Pero ito na siya. Ayun na si Papa Jake. Wow. The red one. Yung talagang, ayun ang maganda pa, oh. Yung nandun sa dulo, oh. Ayun, oh. Yung talagang, hindi yung mga, ano pa, super red na siya. Ayun yung mga nasa ilalim, oh. Oh, dali. Ito na. Oh, sige na. Start getting, ano na, cherries. Oh, hanggang dun sa dulo, nandun sila, oh. Oh. Yung mga, ano. Ayun. Wow, cherries. Come here. Hmm? Pwede bang may pa, ano? May pa free taste? Hmm?
Alalahanin, 12 yan.
Sarap. Tamis.
Ano masasabi mo, sis?
I love cherry.
Wow!
Dami. Okay, give it.
Oh, this one.
Yan, that's it. Ano yung pinaka-dark? Yan, yung mga dark na. Dapat daw, James, pag kukuha ka daw, kunin mo ito mismo, oh. Yung gano'n na, oh. Oh, yung dark talaga. Ganyan, oh. Ganyan, James, oh.
Oh, yeah.
Yan.
Oh, yeah.
Para kasama yung tangkay. No, kasama yung tangkay. Ganyan. Ayan, oh, yan, oh. Oh. Ayan. Oh. Ang daming ano, cherry. Ayan, oh. Oh. Ito, dark one siya, Papa, oh. You're missing out this one, Papa. Look. Look, oh, daming cherries, oh. Here, Papa. Here and there. Jake. Ayan, ang ganda. Ang daming pa cherry. Ayan, oh. They're just hiding under the leaves. Ayan, oh. Oh, ang sarap, ang tamis. Tapos habang ano, kumukuha ka, kumain ka na rin. Oo. Yeah, para pagdating sa bahay, ito ang laki nitong cherry na to, oh. Wow, sarap. Ang diretso na sa mouth.
Oh, wow.
Yan.
Oh, wow.
That's it, James.
Let's go the other side.
Okay.
Come on.
Wow. Can I see? Wow, ganda. Daming cherries. Ready to eat. Very sweet. Wow. Hi, Lance. Can I see? Can I see your basket? Wow, good job. Okay, I'll take your photo. Yan ang ating mga pa-cherries. So many. Wow. O, diba? We need to fill up our pint basket with all of these cherries. Ganda. Ang dami. Hi, Lance!
Strawberry fruit nga ako doon. Hanap buhay ako $6 for isang malong ganito. $6 na yung mabayad sa'yo tapos may sticker ganito din. Sabi ko may $6 na ako. Di ba ayos? Oo.
There's a lot. We're here at the cherry picking farm. Fresh cherries. Yum. See these cherries? I'm gonna pick it and I'm gonna eat it. Cherry. Lots of cherry.
Puno na lang talaga.
Ayan, A for effort para sa mga cherries on top.
Para sa mga cherries on top.
Yeah. Lalaki eh. Cherish the love.
Wala ka nahulog. Na-video ako ni James kanina sis.
Oh?
Nahulog ako.
Ay!
Oh my gosh.
Alright, ayan. Unlimited cherries for today. Cherry pa more.
Ang tamis niyan.
Yeah, straight from the tree.
Malalaki yung nasitas talaga.
Grabe, swerte talaga.
Malalaki.
Ayan mga ka-moment, so at this time tapos na tayong mag-cherry picking. We will pay this pint of basket and it cost $12. There we go! At this time, picture muna tayo bago umuwi. We're thankful sa Landingan family na nakasama namin today para sa ating cherry picking sa Elderkins Farm Market. Thank you so much for watching. See you again for our next vlog. Happy moments lang tayo, everyone! See you again! Bye!